So far, our playground is okay, but it doesn't have much to actually play on. Let's fix that now. Zoom into one of our sides and we'll explore another useful reference tool, the tape measure tool. By clicking on an edge, you can pull away a guideline parallel to that edge. I'll pull this guideline in and enter 1 inch, and then start again and pull another guideline in 3 inches. Now we can easily draw a rectangle between our pillars that is 2 inches wide. Pull this rectangle about halfway up. The exact distance is not important. Now we'll introduce the arc tool. There are several ways to draw an arc for different situations. We'll use the 3-point arc tool. Navigate to make sure you can see both sides of our rectangle and click to start your arc on one side, then click a second time on the opposite edge. Then find a curve that you like and click a third time to complete this arc. Do be careful as you draw. SketchUp may try to infer to the pillar edge, so be sure you are drawing on our new rectangle only. With this new arc drawn, we can cut this top shape away with push-pull. Push this surface until it meets the back surface. A good way to be sure is to look for the on-surface inference. It will be a blue rectangle inference. Push-pull will cut openings between parallel surfaces, so let's try this again. Use the circle tool to draw a few circles on our new shape. Make sure to keep your circles inside the shape and don't overlap them. Keep them fairly large as well. Now, push each circle until you see the opposite on-surface inference, and you will cut away that opening. Cut away all your circles. With this form complete, let's remember to group it. Use the selection tool, triple click, select it all, and group it.